I'm NASA Kennedy's James Best. I'm outside KSC, taking you inside KSC. NASA's Exploration Ground Systems is preparing for stacking of the Space Launch System, or SLS, rocket boosters ahead of the Artemis 1 launch. Teams are rehearsing stacking operations inside the Vehicle Assembly Building at the agency's Kennedy Space Center in Florida using booster segment mock-ups referred to as pathfinders. After preparing an aft pathfinder segment in High Bay 4, a crane team lifted and moved it over High Bay 3, where it was placed on the mobile launcher. During the exercise, careful measurements were taken to ensure proper settings before the center pathfinder segment was added to the stack. The actual booster segments are stacked on the mobile launcher later this year, following testing and completion of the rocket's core stage. Artemis 1 is the first in a series of increasingly complex missions to the moon that will ultimately lead in the exploration of Mars. The first mission will test SLS and the Orion spacecraft as an integrated system prior to the crew flight to the moon. Monday, September 14th, kicked off the Occupational Safety and Health Administration's Stand Down to Prevent Falls campaign. During this week, Kennedy employees were encouraged to participate in stand downs, breaks from work that reinforce the importance of fall prevention. Throughout the week, employees participated in the campaign via social media by sharing their stand down stories with the hashtag #StandDownForSafety. For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media at nasa.gov/Kennedy.